All right, my people. So I've been talking about this particular update from one of my videos, but I've not been give more details about the update. And some people say make I talk about them, so now make I they do this video today. I won't come here make we talk about this particular update within they call Earnlabs. And waiting I won't come talk about me that and you get a lot of things where I don't find out about this update where I believe say go they interest you. You understand? So make you just watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you go see what I they see about this particular platform. If you they see me for the first time, make sure you like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe so that if I drop new video like this, then go inform you or they go notify you say another update don't drop because now waiting I they do here be that and make you know say this one now review I can't do no be tutorial. Review they different from tutorial review I they tell you now waiting I don't see. You understand my experience tutorial now when you they teach people how to do this this one now review this one will be tutorial and just comment where they watch this video from for comment section. So this particular update here then they call them Earnlabs, okay? Earnlabs and Earnlabs now PTC or GPT platform. GPT platform means say get paid to, which means they fit us say make you do small work, say they go they reward you as they complete all this work personally. You understand? Which kind of work they fit us say make you go they play games to some certain levels, say they go they reward you, they fit say make you download this app, make you buy this thing from this app, do this one. They say you could then go to reward you. If it say make you take survey, finish this survey, they say then go to reward you. And if it say make you do this one, do that one, then go to reward you. Now make them they call them GPT platform or get paid to platform. Okay, so Earnlabs here now one of those platforms. Once you open their home screen, you go see as money just they flow everywhere. Say this one don't collect, this one don't collect, and if you see it like that, your head go big. Say it means I am in the right place at the right time. But calm down first. The first thing they doesn't make you sign up your account now free, so you could just sign up. It is simple to sign up. Remember this one will be tutorial. Now review account do. They will give you 25 cents for completely free. Now waiting then give me be that when I sign up 25 cents. But I don't know whether they go give you, but now waiting then give me as I sign up they give me 25 for free. And they just say after that say you go they do small tax for their platform here, make it they collect after I don't verify your email address and everything. They get different kind of tax for this particular platform. The first kind of tax where they get here now surveys. This particular surveys where they get here, they say if they take surveys here, make it they collect small thing. They get different survey wars here. If you they take surveys, some of the surveys go pay you 25 cents in 10 minutes. $2 in 30 minutes or 40 minutes. You understand? So that's why their surveys them. They some of them, you understand, and their surveys have no day regular. Next method they get within they call tax. This tax, if you come here, make you download apps, you know, if you say make you download apps, they complete some stuff. They get end button here. The next one here now chat. This particular chat now place where be say if you follow other people talk, other people with this particular platform, if they chat with them so that maybe if they don't complete, if they don't play some certain game, if they ask them questions on how to play the games simply and so on. Another thing here where they get now their home screen and then get two different pages. The first page now end, the second page now games. The end page now where you go see all these surveys, tax and all these ones. While the game page now the place we go see only games they we go just they play, they go, you understand, and you go they collect, you understand. And another way to end here, then get affiliate program where they thought say if they invite your friends, you go they collect small thing for the platform. So now the any method with that way they this particular platform. I just say make you know. For the payout, then get a plenty payout options because according to them they say if you withdraw here with Bitcoin, Litecoin, USDT, TRX, and so on and so forth. Based on my location, because within I can notice be say their payout here then get based on your location. So if you're from America, the payout we go see if you're from America, with the payout we go see if you're from Nigeria, no be the same thing. So now waiting I don't notice about the platform Naim be that you understand. So waiting be the pros and the cons of this platform. The first pro for the platform we say easy to navigate, easy UI, easy earning options, and also they get straightforward earnings. Another pro can be say they get plenty withdrawal options, so anybody feel withdraw from any part of the world, and it be like say the platform they work globally, so anybody can use it. So just confirm if it actually works in your location, right? And another thing can be say their payout threshold, although they never really specify how much be their payout threshold here, but I believe say their payout threshold no go plenty. Another thing I like about them be say they get chat room here where be say if you chat with people, with other people here, so that you go fit dey ask other people questions in case you get issues. And another thing be say they get customer service live chat where be say if you chat with their customer service in case you get problem. Another thing here come be say they get different bonuses wey fit collect here, like the affiliate program where fit they do the collect bonuses, which is okay. Now wetin be some of the things I don't like about the platform. To register your account here, then go they ask you to the soft capture, and that capture to today easy for some people we no can understand. And another thing I don't like about them here be say they disqualify you for survey a lot. I don't try to complete their survey like 4 times, they don't disqualify me for their survey. But I believe say based on your location, they feel allow you to use them. Some people they use this platform, some people they use VPN. I don't advise you to use VPN, but some people they use them. Another thing I don't notice about the platform is say if you log in one account for 2 phones, if you log in one account for 2 phones, they not gonna allow you log in. So you need to log out from the one phone before you log in the other phone. Another thing we I notice about the platform, they get plenty rewards, they get plenty contests. If you just check all these their contests out. Tell me what you think about this platform. It is in a platform where you go start. If I want to rate the platform because of their disqualification, I go give them 4/10. Although their UID okay, they get plenty withdrawal options, but I'll give them 4/10 because they actually disqualify you a lot. So they go disqualify you based on your location. Any platform where they like disqualify people based on their location means say you go dey hard before you earn, except you decide to complete their offer and play their games. But if you want focus on survey and some other small tasks where they platform, then go disqualify you a lot. So now I'm going to give them 4/10. But waiting you go rate them, just tell me for comment section. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.